How to message suppliers on Aliexpress. Now, if you want to message Aliexpress suppliers, you just simply need to open any product from the suppliers which you would like to message. For example, let's open this ring right here, and after you open any of the product, you are gonna see this option of message at the very bottom row of the product. Simply tap into that, and then you can very easily send a message to the seller or the suppliers, or you can also go to the profile of the seller and you can message from there as well. You just simply need to wait for the profile to load, and you are gonna see the option of contact at the bottom right side. You just simply need to tap to that and it will open the message box as well, and you can contact the supplier very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.